I'm getting ready to do a repair. I got a little carried away and I drilled a hole for one project. Then over here I got a couple of nicks that I'm going to fill in. And what I'm going to use is a trick that's pretty popular. If you take super glue, regular super glue, I'm going to put a couple of drops of super glue. I'm going to put a couple of drops of super glue on the surface. Then you sprinkle baking soda on top of the super glue. The baking soda acts like a catalyst, and it turns the super glue into a very, very strong acrylic plastic without all the mumbo jumbo. And there's a lot of stuff online. If you Google or if you look on YouTube, look up super glue and baking soda, there's a lot of videos better than I can do. What I am going to do is I'm going to tape. I'm going to cut some of this excess plastic off. I'm going to put a piece of masking tape over it, and I'm going to fill it from the back side. The reason why is it's okay if I leave a little excess on the back for strength. And if I shave this down a little bit, these burrs, if I shave them down, there'll be a lot less sanding when I'm done. These right here, these little ones, I'm just going to put a couple of drops with a toothpick, get them right inside the crevices, and then I'm with super glue, and then I'm going to sprinkle some baking soda on top, and the reaction will take place, and then I'll just take and knock off the excess and sand it out. I'll take some pictures after. So that's the game plan. That's the trick. Super glue and baking soda. Check it out.